How to book a Nordstrom styling appointment with a personal stylist. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to book a personal appointment with a stylist at Nordstrom, whether you want it as in-store session or virtual styling or even more personalized. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by visiting the official styling appointment page, which is this space right here, so you can directly search for it. And once you search for it, this opens up with a direct option called book an appointment. So we can directly tap on it, and once we tap on book an appointment, the next page opens up where we can select up a store. So first of all, choose up the location where you would like to book your service and tap on the search option here, and you can select up a store nearby. Once you have done that, you can select up a service category. You can select all or what other categories that you would prefer. Once it is done, you can scroll down and we have different options that we can choose from, and go ahead and look out for the next option. After that is done, on the next section, what we need to do is we need to choose up a date and time. So choose up a date and then time, what time you would like to go, and tap on next. And on the last step, what we need to do is we need to provide in our information. So provide in your first name, your last name, your email address, and the phone number. And they will text you a reminder and call with any charges. After that, also additional information such as what is your preferred method of contact, such kind of information, apart from what garment type and other sections. Once it is done, you can view it up and basically tap on this option called book appointment and choose the type of styling you want, fill out the booking form, and after book they should contact you by email or phone. And it's that's it. This is how you basically contact them, book their appointment. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.